let's start up right now. Good, 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 good. All right. Today we are having this meeting to come together to reason, to come to know for the first time. Most of us, this is the first time of hearing this project, about this project. And I think we have a great opportunity with us if you understand the power of positioning. All right. We are about to be positioned in a platform that's going to give us not just words, but it's going to give us peace of mind. Because one thing is making money, and another thing is having peace of mind. If the people you're bringing into a platform, if they are safe or not. You got what I'm saying? So here with us today is Andre, who is going to expatiate, who is going to tell us more on what we are here for, the projects, the concept of the projects, those behind this project, and what this project intend to do today, tomorrow, and for the future. Thank you so much. So, Andre, the floor is yours. Speak to my leaders, get to know them, sell your markets to them. Let's hear what they have to offer to us. Let's hear what they want the company to do for them, and let's see how we can start up marketing this platform immediately. Thank you so much.
Mr. Godsane, thank you very much for such introduction. I hope that we're gonna spend next 30 minutes in very interesting conversation. Very happy to see you guys all here, and thank you for coming on Sunday, because Sunday usually supposed to be a rest day, but as far as everybody is here and everybody wants to get some piece of work and maybe some piece of future success, then I propose to go. I would like to share my screen and to show you some slides, okay, and to present what we are working on right now, all right, and where we would like to come. Before I will start, I would like to introduce first our team, right? So we are here to build crypto trading solutions marketplace. And so let please someone turn off the mic. I can't hear. Okay, yes, great, perfect. So we are here to build a crypto trading solution marketplace. But before I will speak about the product, I would like to present our team, all right? And all the people that you are seeing here, they are putting on the table first their reputation. Because, for example, me personally, I am from Ukraine, as mostly all of the team, right? And we are here running different businesses. Me personally running marketing agency, so we help foreign companies and local brands solving their different kinds of marketing and business challenges. So we are actually helping them to do so, right? Mick Naroy, our president and lead investor, Ariston has already met him. So he's from Australia, and he was the first guy actually who came up with some sort of idea that we are building right now. He is the property developer, so he is building houses and selling them in Australia. And also last 4 years, he is here in Ukraine buying and selling properties here, right? So Sergey and Andrew, they are top guys in multi-level marketing. So they were both working as leaders, and they were creating strategies for companies that have raised more than $400 million, yes, till now on. And this gives us the opportunity to create a sustainable marketing, right? That can work, that can last long, and that will allow us to fulfill all the obligations before the structures, leaders, and everything, right? So we've got Dan, he is our chief technical officer. He and his team has already built 3 cryptocurrency exchanges that already are operating. So he knows how to build perfect technical and safe product for the users and traders, all right? These guys are not founders, Artem and Roman. Roman is a good trader, so he's helping us tweaking the product itself. Artem is a super cool, Artem and his team are super cool front-end developers, so they create designs and all the front-end development, which you can see, right? It is done by their team. So basically here we are showing our faces, and putting everything on the table, because like we are here to build the product which is actually is in need by market, right? So what is like the problem that we are trying to solve? So at first, we all know that there is a huge mis-expectations of people, of especially newcomers, right, who are coming to the crypto market. So everybody is thinking that it is so easy. You can come here, you can start trading, or you can buy something for cheap, sell something for more money, right? Buy your Lambo and fly to the islands. But this is very far from the truth. And this is why there are a lot of scammers on the market, right? Shitty signals, shit coins, courses that never lead to some knowledge and everything. So a lot of manipulation of the market. So that's why newcomers are actually at a big danger. So that's why we decided to create a product, right, that will help newcomers to earn in cryptocurrency market with lower risks. But also for the more experienced users, this product could become an additional vehicle or tool in their investment portfolio. So right now we're speaking about Tokkea, right? This product, this ecosystem that we are building is combined from three main things. So copy trading, right? Education, and trading automation. Trading automation is the next step of the development of the product. So right now we're going to be basically speaking about copy trading and a little bit about education. So in terms of MVP, which we are working on right now and which we launch in November, these two parts are considered, right? So basically, what is copy trading marketplace, right? This is a simple marketplace where from one hand, there are experienced traders who trade their own capital more than $100,000, traders who's got positive profit factors. So they are positive trades. There are more positive trades than negative trades in their portfolio. And there are like more than 3 years of experience of trading, right? And we can analyze them automatically with the help of our platform, right? This is from one hand, like, right? These traders are creating their strategies. We are also PG trading solution is joining us. That's great. So from one hand, there are traders, okay? From the other hand, there are regular users like we, right? What do they basically see? So they're coming on to the marketplace. They see different traders. These traders trade different pairs on different types of trading, spot, margin, futures, whatever, right? It has several points, right? Total return, risk level, how many people are following these traders, and so on. So you can dig deeper, read about the strategy, watch some videos, watch some descriptions, and you collect the portfolio of such traders. You can set the risks of a whole portfolio and then press the button, subscribe, and it works. But moreover, very interesting thing that we are not a brokerage. So we don't take people's money into management. People are holding their capital on exchanges. Let's say Binance and Bitfinex. These are two exchanges that we are integrating right now, and MVP will be launched in spot trading within these two exchanges. So basically, users hold their deposits over there via API. They are connected to our platform. Traders are connected via API to our platform, and traders trade on the exchange. The same actions are copied in the accounts of users. So this is pretty much simple solution over there, okay? So right now we are at the stage of developing MVP. So we are mostly here, right? We're gonna finish our product by the end of October, beginning of November, right? 2 exchanges will be integrated and only spot trading will be available. Along with that, we are working on our smart contract, right? It will be done on BSC smart chain. So when the product will be launched, smart contract will be finished, we will conduct audit, and then this will be the time when users can come here and like invest into traders, okay? So by the after the alpha version, beta version is coming, more types of traders being added, options, futures, margin, plus 3 exchanges, and of course, mobile application, iOS, Android, okay? Then we're switching to trading automation, which actually will be done by the end of next year. But for now, we won't speak about this because this is like another topic to discuss. Along with that, we are conducting our ICO campaign with multi-level marketing, all right? And after we will finish it, we're going to be listed on external exchanges, and then we are in an open market. So basically, this is all what I wanted to say about the product. Next, I'm going to tell about ICO and multi-level marketing. So before I will go there, maybe you have some specific questions about product I can answer, and we can move forward, or I can continue. How would you like to do it? Guys, any questions?
Any questions, guys?
Seems like no.
Hi guys.
Hi, Henry.
This is Henry. Okay, so quick question.
Sure.
Is there going to be any sign-up fee or registration or license fee?
Thank you for the question. Of course. So very important thing here. We're going to have a subscription fee. The subscription will be based on the trading session. So the trader says, all right, within next 4 weeks, I expect on the pair, let's say USDT BTC, the income, let's say, all right, at level of 15% to deposit, right? And he says like, okay, trading session costs $50. User pays the subscription fee, $50, but in our Tokkea token. This is how we make our platform tokenized, and this is how we make the like demand supply balance, okay? User subscribes, trader trades. Trader receives from 40 to 60% of the subscription fee, depending on performance, which he does or she does, all right? At the same time, comparing to all the competitors' market, we don't charge our users commissions from their gains. It's very important because all the competitors right now are brokers. So basically you put your money into their management and they can take up to 50% commission from the gains of people. And this is how we're going to be different. So our concept is different. We want to have thousands of subscribers for low fixed fees. But if trader has done a good performance, user can incentive him with crypto-like. So this is like the mutual desire of a person to incentivize the trader who has done a good performance to him. So on these crypto-likes, I think traders can earn at least 30 or 40 even % from their income from subscription, because it comes from the heart, and we're gonna be like pushing this service, the crypto-like, for people. And it like after trading session, automatically, if you want to incentive trader, please press, and automatically he will be incentivized. So this is the concept. Mr. Patrick, maybe you have some question?
No, everything is clear.
Super.
I have no question. Yeah, thanks.
Super, because you turned off the video and I thought like maybe you wanted to ask something, but if not, that's all right. Okay. So guys, any questions? Any questions, or I can move forward?
Yeah, just a quick announcement. We have with us one of the big top guys too, Mr. Paul. Mr. Paul of PG Solutions is here with us. You're welcome, Mr. Paul. Can you hear us?
Yeah, I can hear you clearly. I'm trying to get the hints. So
okay, we just started. We've not even done much. We just started.
Okay.
You're gonna get it all right?
All right, I'm listening.
All right. So let's get back. Andre, get back. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Thank you very much. So we're gonna send you this recording so that you could just revise everything from scratch. All right. So right now I'm continuing to the ICO with MLM. Okay. So for us, like the next crucial step here is to create a strong community with around the product. So that's why we decided to create ICO with multi-level marketing. In this combination, we can reach our business goals and create like the transactions between the MLM participants, right, into product users. Later, I will say a few words how we're gonna do this. So right now, we made an emission of 100 million tokens, okay? and they are distributed in the following proportion. So 60% of the tokens will be used within ICO, 40% will be on hold. So basically, when we will finish ICO, 25 million tokens will be available on the market. The rest 75 million will be burned. So from that amount, our company will be owning 10 million tokens, which gonna be still on our hold. We're not gonna be selling it or something like that. We're gonna be selling it if the demand will be higher than supply, only in this point. So a few words about the price of the token. Okay, we started from 9 cents. 10 cents is here because 9 cents was a closed round. Now the token, after a month of work, worth nearly 17 cents. So right now, basically, we have a very strong team in the CIS region. We've got a few guys from Turkey, United Arab Emirates, a little bit from Philippines, right? But the most job is done right now by CIS countries. So that's why we are right now trying to switch to other continents and expand our business model, because right now we see that the model is working, people are joining, and the token is growing. So how are we making the growth of the token sustainable without any dips? So we created the closed ecosystem, right? Centralized ecosystem, our cabinet. I will later show it to you. It works, everything, right? Where it works in the following way. So if a person wants to enter the project, he has to buy the package of tokens, okay? For Africa, it's very important. For Africa, we have the cheapest position, $100. Here is 500, but we have 100. It is already available in the cabinet. So we technically are ready to it, okay? So each package has different distributions of tokens inside, all right? So let's see, package for $500 has only 50% marketing token and 50% hold token. So there are no open token. I will now explain what is it, okay? But in other packages, you have open token, and the more expensive package is, the more open token you have. So for now, to have a better understanding of the token distribution, I would like to share with you an example when a person buys a package for $10,000, 10,000 USDT, okay? So when a person is buying a package for 10,000 USDT, 50% of this money is going to support his multi-level structure, okay? So in this percentage, you have 10% of invite bonus, right? And 15% from the binary. Binary is working from your weaker line or weaker legs, some call it different, okay? So 50%, and when the person is buying package, 50% goes to marketing, and 50% of this token in the package is being burned. So this is how the token is a little bit growing. Then, very important thing, you have 25% of open token. What does it mean? This is the ROI opportunity for any person in the project. We've got inside our P2P exchange, and you can sell your tokens at this P2P exchange anytime you like. So for example, the next person who is buying the package, he buys half of the company and half from the people who are selling their tokens on the exchange. And again, the tokens are being burned. The cost of the price of the token is growing. So this is how we create liquidity inside. This is how we create the simple ROI opportunity for each person who is involved into the product. All right. And this is how we create sustainable token growth. So in this system, there is no opportunity for the token to go into deep. All right. So, and 25% of the tokens received in closed form, right? So what does it mean? You can buy subscriptions on the platform when it's going to be launched, or you can sell this token when we will be listed on external exchanges. By external exchange, I mean exchanges, not Binance and Bitfinex and the one that we're integrating right now for trades. These are going to be exchanges first tier 2 or maybe even DEX, okay, so that we could create liquidity. But the most important thing here, how we're going to create the balance of the supply and demand. Okay, we understand that within ICO, right, and multi-level marketing campaign, there will be a lot of token holders that would be very likely selling them when we will be listed. So for our marketing task, the main task is to create demand from the people who are not in MLM. So from the open market. So that's why we are planning like a lot of integration with good traders, financial companies that could perform really good trading strategy. And that's why newcomers will be coming in order to trade on our platform, in order to invest into traders on our platform. They have to buy Tokkea token. They're gonna go on decentralized exchange where all the holders of the token from the ICO will be selling them. So this is how we're gonna build this balance of supply and demand. And this is why right now we're spending more than $50,000 monthly on the development of our product. So we are really creating the thing that has a demand on the market. So this is basically all what I wanted to say about the token distribution, ICO, and multi-level marketing. But we still have two features that I would like to show you that are making our marketing more sustainable. But before that, I would like to ask you the question whether everything is clear here. Maybe you have some additional questions. I will be very happy to answer them if you have some. If not, I can continue. Any question, guys?
Yeah, I think you maybe after when you're done, you need to throw more light on the very first part before you dive into the MLM package part of it. But I think what I'm saying is okay, but you need to throw more light on the first part of it after the introduction of the team. I would like you to throw more light on that area. So,
all right, no problem. I will do this. So if no questions in terms of marketing and ICO, then we can switch to those last 2 points. And after that, I would like to show you the system inside, how it works and everything, okay? So what makes our marketing sustainable? First, the transaction from the multi-level marketing users from the community into product users. So how do we do it? Okay, so we've called it MONEYBOX. So on each $1,000 earned in your binary bonus, we give you extra $100. Okay, so this is what's happening with it next. So we take this MONEYBOX and put it to the platform. All right, and you can use this MONEYBOX in 2 ways. First, you can use it as a deposit on the exchanges with which we are integrated. So this deposit could become a body of your future income on the trading strategies, okay? So you've got closed token, you are paying for subscription. You've got MONEYBOX that is your deposit on exchange. And this is just how we can transit people from the MLM users to the product users. Right now, we made a small research. And for now, we have spoke with 100 plus or minus people, and 40% of them are ready to use their MONEYBOX as a deposit on the future product. So just imagine that if we're gonna have, let's say, 100,000 people in our community, 40,000 people could become already the users of the platform. That actually makes for us the superb traction for the product. So this is point number 1. Or if you don't like to use it as a deposit on the exchange, you can, like we are making vesting. So we unlock this MONEYBOX once per 6 months, and you can withdraw it in form of USDT. So this is how we can, this is a double benefit. Or you can use it as a deposit, or you can withdraw it by small portions within the next 6 months after the product will be launched. So this is point number 1. Point number 2, compression. What is compression? So let's say you have a package for $1,000, all right? You have received your tokens and you have received your binary bonus and invitation bonus. And when binary bonus and invitation bonus reaches 200% of the initial cost of the package, so if the package was $1,000 and you have earned $2,000 extra from binary and from invitation bonuses, you have to buy the package again. So renew it after you reach 200%. So it gives several big opportunities for the company and for the leaders. For the company, this is opportunity to make this marketing sustainable and to perform our obligations before the structures, because we all know that binary marketing is very aggressive, and projects are going into scam when they don't have the money to perform the obligations for the people who are standing above. Compression removes this risk. This is point number one. Point number two, when the leader has a small structure, right? This small structure does rebuying packages, okay? And this gives him and all the leaders same bonuses, same everything. And especially for people who are rebuying the packages, they are receiving more and more tokens that they can buy in our internal exchange and go back to this circle. And as long as we are creating the circle liquidity inside, this is like practically endless process. So our target goal is to raise in soft cap 200 million, in hard cap 300 million. So before this corridor, right, this gap from 200 to 300, the price of the Tokkea can reach somewhere around 100 USDT. So this is pretty much possible. The model is sustainable maximum until 300 million. So, but we will be very happy if we will be somewhere around from 200 from 4 to 300. So basically, this is what makes the model sustainable, this inside liquidity, this money box, and this compression. So basically, I guess this is all that should be said about both the product and marketing. So if you have some questions, you can ask them right now. If not, I will just switch my screen and would like to show you our cabinet, right? How it is working right now, what is P2P exchange. Just 5 more minutes for you to see that within our system, it is like very easy and very comfortable for leaders to manage their structures, because there are, like, I will just show you. So please, if any questions, I am ready to answer.
Okay, thank you, Andre. I think I have to give a rundown of your explanation, right? All right.
Yes. For now, I'm finished, but I just want to show you something right now.
Okay. Should I say this after you've shown us or before you've shown us?
Let's just let me just show it to you. All right, right now, and then go to the question. So this is basically, you can see the screen right now, right? You see the cabinet. So this is how the cabinet is looking like right now. You have like wallet sections, different balances, operational, hold, right? You have your referral link here. You've got here the Tokkea sales volume, how it is being grown, right? You have different rounds, different sessions here. So how many packages your structure has bought, okay? Here you have the automatic package renewal. Remember, I told you that compression. So here compression is done automatically, so you don't have to account, so you won't miss anything here. You can see here how many personal invited users, how many in binary structure, how many paid for the package, and the list of your people over here. All right, but this is like your dashboard. But if we dig deeper, okay, so here are token packages over here. This cabinet is like, how do a package for $100 works? For example, a person in, let's say, CIS won't see $100 package. So we geographically restricted the ability to buy this package, okay? So basically you are adding it to cart, going to checkout. We have automatic payment system that actually confirms payments very fast. We can receive payments in different currencies here. But what's most exciting here is buyback tokens from the exchange. Again, you're putting your financial password. We have different levels of access here. So passwords for financials, for wallets could be different from the passwords that you are putting when you log in. So for example, if someone knows your password, your login password, he might not know the financial password, right? So you are buying half of the tokens from the exchange. Right now, there are no orders here because users right now are practically not selling the token because they understand that this is a very beginning and the price will be much higher a little bit later. So P2P exchange is pretty much simple here. So we just see that someone today has sold 2000 TKA for 15 cents only. And the most beautiful thing here, look at this. So the price of the company is nearly 17 cents, but people, to sell it faster, to be in the beginning of the order book, right? They sell it a little bit cheaper. But when the next person is buying the package for $1,000, let's say, all right, for example, he bought half of the tokens from the company, and half of the tokens he bought for the lower price, for 15 cents. So basically, he buys the package for $900, but receives the package for 1,000. This is also a very good opportunity. We are, as a company, could take this money from people, but we are not doing this, and we are giving opportunity to them to like gain more from the purchase if someone is selling for cheaper. All right. So basically, it's very simple. You're just putting the price that you want to sell, the TKA amount that you want to sell, and automatically, like you are putting sell TKA here, and that's it. But I won't press it because someone will definitely buy these tokens. The last things that I wanted to show you here is your marketing structures, right? And the structure of personal invitations here. So you see that, all right, very simple. How much total partners you have, how many bought the package, how many new for the last, I don't know the period, but I will ask our developers and then come back. So, but here is more beautiful thing inside, which is the visual interpretation. Okay, so you have here different filters. So you can see all the levels which are under your structure here. Okay, and these levels are like you can manage it as you like. So this is how it works. You can press on any person here, right, and see what is under his structure next. So this is basically very user-friendly system and will be very comfortable for you to manage it. And of course, money withdrawals, you're just going to your wallet section, then once again your password, and then just withdraw funds from your main wallet. Then through our payment service provider, you're withdrawing and everything is fine. So this is basically all what I wanted to tell you about the system that is already working and that is already delivering pretty much good results. So I'm finished and ready to answer your questions.
Okay. Let me thank you very much, Andre. Thank you. We have a lot of leaders who are about to join us anyways. Okay. Thank you for this presentation.
Welcome, Mr.
It's been an awesome time. Yeah, it's been an awesome time listening to you. And